Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're going to be talking all about the iPhone XS Max leather case. We did a video about the silicone case, like I'm pretty sure 2 days ago, so if you want to check that out, it'll be in one of these two corners right here. This one and the silicone one are pretty much tied for first place. I can't even pick one because they're just so great in their own ways. The very first thing I want to go over is that the box, you guys already know Apple boxes are really like satisfying to open, and that is what Apple is good at. Making good boxes and making good products as well. Pretty much have to do is just slide it. It was a little bit of struggle there, and it's honestly, wow. Yeah, it's just an absolute beauty. Yeah guys, what I like about this case is that it's really simple. You know, it's not rugged, it's not like thick or anything like that. So like when someone hands me their phone, like to show me something or something like that, and they have like an OtterBox on or like a life proof, I'm like, yo, I don't want to hold this, like get it away from me, dude. The next thing guys, this is exactly the same kind of format as a silicone case, so a lot of things are going to be similar. Just like the silicone case, this case does have a lip around the screen, so you don't have to be worried about putting your phone down on the screen like that, like on a surface, so your phone won't get scratched. Some cases they don't have the lip around the screen area, so when you put your phone like that, it's gonna scratch. That's a really like simple thing that I bet a lot of people don't even realize, is that that lip is super important. Just like the silicone case, this case does not wobble or anything. It doesn't matter what side you put it on, the front or the back, it's not gonna wobble, it's not gonna move around, which is a really important thing for me because I just hate the camera bump on the iPhone. Like I have an iPhone 7 Plus right here, as you can see. You don't want to hear that wobble. It's just yikes. I'm really glad this gets rid of that. I mean, it's not really a feature, but I mean, most cases do this, that like don't make it not wobble. But that's the thing that I really do like, because I just like my phone to be flat. That's it. The next thing guys, which I really do like about this case and also the silicone case, is that inside of the case, it does have a nice microfiber finish material on the bottom. So, which is really important because on these glass iPhones, they scratch super easily. I've had experience with my iPhone 10, so I'm really glad they had a microfiber on the back of this just to make it a little bit more protective for the glass. Because this glass, even though they say it's the strongest glass ever in history and every single smartphone in the entire universe, it still can scratch. So I'm really glad they added that. The buttons, these are probably the best buttons I've ever pressed on a case, period. The buttons on the leather case are metal and they feel amazing. You have to hear the button clicks. If you don't hear it click, probably not a good button on the case. So as you guys can hear this, pretty sure on the iPhone 6S Plus case, they were not metal, so they changed on the iPhone 7 leather cases. They changed that to metal, which I 100% am glad that they did that because that's such a good touch. And I have to say right now that this case does get a little bit less grippy the more that you use it when you break in the leather. So when you first get the leather case, it's going to be pretty grippy, pretty easy to hold in your hand, but then the leather is going to get worn in, and it's not, in my opinion, it's not going to be as grippy as it once was. It's going to be a little bit more slippery. If you don't like that, I mean, that's just a natural thing of leather. It breaks and it changes over time. As you guys can see, this is a pretty light brown leather case. The more that you have it, the more that you use it, it does get a lot darker that I've noticed. So if you, I mean, obviously leather changes color over time and changes over time. So it's gonna change a little bit darker. It doesn't really matter what leather case you have. It's gonna turn a little bit darker. Which I mean, I'm guessing a lot of people already know that leather changes over time. It's a pretty obvious thing. So yeah, that's another thing as well. As you guys can see, the Apple logo has like a cutout look to it, which I really do like about it. And that stays for the whole entire lifespan of the case. The Apple logo is always going to be there, so I really do like that they added that logo. Also guys, the cutout on the bottom of the phone is a really good feature for some people, and some people don't like it. The reason why I like it so much is because then you can see the color of what iPhone you have. As you guys can see, I have that nice gold color, and I think this gold color matches the leather so good. I'm guessing it looks good with any color of the iPhone XS, but I just love how the gold looks with the leather. It adds a really nice look to it. So yeah guys, is this case worth 50 bucks? In my opinion, it is worth $50 just because of how unique and how good it looks. It's actually a pretty sturdy case. I've never cracked an iPhone on a leather case before. I've dropped it multiple times and you know, I've never cracked it. And also it's super thin, it's super protective. Like what else could you ask for? If you guys like this video and helped make up your mind if you want to cop this case or not, please drop a like and subscribe guys. It really helps out the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.